Alright, I'm going to show you how to crochet this moose. I'm going to try and be more descriptive. I'm using this tan color, medium brown, and dark brown yarn, all Red Heart Super Saver. 12mm plastic safety eyes. I have the link in the description. A size G hook or 4.25mm hook. A yarn needle. And some polyfill. Alright, this isn't going to fit in the frame, so... Alright, I'm going to start off with the head using the medium brown yarn. I'm going to be doing a magic circle. Do 6 single crochet in the magic circle. Now I'm going to be doing 2 single crochet in each stitch all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. Alright, I'm doing a single crochet and a increase all the way around for a total of 18 in the round. Now I'm doing 2 single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 24 in the round. Alright, now I'm going to do 4 rows of 24 single crochet in each row. Alright, and I'm going to be doing 2 single crochet and a decrease all the way around for a total of 18 in the round. Alright, I'm going to be doing a single crochet and a decrease all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. Alright, I've added the eyes 6 rows down and 6 spaces apart, and then I stuffed the head. Now I'm going to be doing a decrease all the way around for a total of 6. I'm going to be doing a slip stitch, chain 1, and break off your yarn. Alright, for the body, again I'm going to be starting with a magic circle. I'm going to be doing 6 single crochet in the magic circle. Do an increase in each stitch all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. Alright, do a single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 18 in the round. Alright, now I'm going to be doing 7 rows with 18 single crochet in each row. Alright, and I'm doing a single crochet and a decrease all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. Alright, I've just stuffed the body. Now I'm going to be doing a decrease all the way around for a total of 6. Do a slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, for the nose, when you finish it, it looks rather big, but it fits. I know how it looks, but it'll work. I'm going to be doing a magic circle. Do 8 single crochet in the magic circle. Alright, and I'm going to do 3 single crochet and an increase around for a total of 10. So you're just doing this twice. Alright, now you're going to do 4 single crochet and an increase for a total of 12. Do 2 more rows with 12 single crochet in each row. do a slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, for the ears, I'm going to be doing 4 single crochet in the magic circle, single crochet around for a total of 4 in the round. Alright, now I'm doing a single crochet and an increase around for a total of 6 in the round. Do an increase around for a total of 12 in the round. Alright, now I'm doing a decrease around for a total of 6 in the round. Do a slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, now I'm going to be doing the tail. I'm doing 4 single crochet in the magic circle. I'm going to be doing a single crochet around for a total of 4. Doing a single crochet and an increase around for a total of 6. Do a slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, working on the arms using dark brown, starting with a magic circle. I'm going to be doing 7 single crochet in the magic circle. Alright, and working in the back loops only, I'm going to be doing a single crochet all the way around for a total of 7. Alright, working through both loops again, single crochet around for a total of 7. Alright, in the last stitch I'm changing to the medium brown. I'm going to be doing 5 rows with 7 single crochet in each row. Do a slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. For the legs, using dark brown, start with a magic circle. I'm going to be doing 8 single crochet in the magic circle. Alright, in the back loop only, single crochet around for a total of 8. In the last stitch, change to the medium brown. You're going to be working in both loops again. You're going to do 4 more rows with 8 single crochet in each row. Do a slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, and I'm going to work on the antlers using the tan. I'm going to be doing a magic circle. I'm doing 6 single crochet in the magic circle. I'm going to be doing an increase in each stitch all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. Alright, I am doing a single crochet all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. Alright, and I'm doing 2 single crochet and a decrease all the way around for a total of 9 in the round. Single crocheting around for a total of 9 in the round. Doing a single crochet and a decrease all the way around for a total of 6 in the round. Alright, I'm going to be doing 3 single crochet and 3 half double crochet for a total of 6 in the round. I'm going to be doing 2 more rows of the same thing, so again 3 single crochet and 3 half double crochet. So you're doing 3 total rows of that. Alright, I'm going to be doing 3 half double crochet, chain 1, turn, 3 half double crochet, chain 1, turn, and then 3 half double crochet, Alright, I'm going to single crochet around for a total of 6, but because I have these long pieces here, I'm just going to be doing a decrease over them. So those are all extra. Now this would be like an actual stitch, so that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then single crochet around for a total of 6. Do a slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn, doing the small part on the antler using tan, doing 6 single crochet in the magic circle. I'm doing a single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 9 in the round. Doing a single crochet all the way around for a total of 9. Doing a single crochet and a decrease around for a total of 6. And then a single crochet and a decrease around for a total of 4 in the round. Do a slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, I'm going to try and be a little more detailed on how I sew everything together. Alright, I've sewn the hole closed on the head. For most of my items, my head goes up to 24 and the body goes up to 18. 18 being the smallest, so I'm going to want to sew them on the row after the 12 stitches, so that would be this row. So I'm just going to line that up. So this would be after the 6, and then this would be after the 12 stitches. So that's just where I'm going to sew them together. Alright, I'm going to sew on the nose. The top of the nose I'm going to line up with the center of the eyes. Make sure that the increases are on the side. Alright, I guess the arms would be the next easy step. So I'm just lining it up with the center here. And I'm going to be sewing them onto the row after the 18 stitch row, after the increasing row. I'm going to start sewing the leg in the center of where the arm falls, and on the row before the decreases. Alright, the tail I'm making sure is centered. Alright, this is where I'm going to be sewing the ears. Probably a little lower than you would expect, but you need to have room for the antlers. Alright, I'm going to be sewing the antlers slightly forward compared to the ears, and I'm going to try and keep them on their own side of the magic circle. I'm not going to want to sew onto the magic circle. Alright, also I have a really bad tendency to overstuff the antlers. I find it really easy to overstuff. This one I think is fine, but this one you can see the stuffing in the holes. I kind of noticed it too late, so after I sew it on, I'm just going to be doing a few stitches to close them up. It hides it really easily. Alright, and there you go.